Welcome! In today's quick guide, I'll show how to enable automatic file downloads and Telegram chats on your PC using the latest update. This is a super useful feature if you want files to download instantly without having to click on each one manually. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your settings. Once you're inside the app, look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see 3 horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon. Go ahead and click on it to open the main menu. From the menu, find and click on Settings. This is where you can customize how Telegram works for you. Inside Settings, scroll down a bit until you see the Advanced option. Click on Advanced to open more detailed settings. Now look for the section labeled In Private Chats. This is where you control how media and files behave in your one-on-one conversations. Click on it to continue. Here, you'll see different options for automatic downloads. Find the option for files and enable it. This allows Telegram to automatically download files you receive in private chats without asking for confirmation every time. After enabling it, don't forget to click Save to apply your changes, and that's